Today you're going to be solving subtraction problems using an efficient strategy by looking at the equation carefully and checking your answer with another strategy. So here we have the problem 63 minus 38. I'm going to rewrite it over here in the box where I'm showing my strategy. So 63 minus 38. Let's change the color here to make it easier to see. We have 3 ones in the number 63. And we can see that right here. I built 63 with 6 tens and 3 ones. So if I needed to take away 8 ones, I'm going to have to regroup. So I'm going to show you the steps using the algorithm while I also use the base 10 pieces. So if I need more ones, I'm going to regroup a 10. So I am going to move a group of 10 to my ones place. And so now I have 5 tens and 13 ones. And I'll show you so we can check our answer. I'm going to move that 10 and turn that into 10 ones. Okay, so then we still will have 63 as the number we're starting with, but now we have enough ones where we can take away 8 of those ones. So there's 9 and 10. All right, so now we are going to remove 8 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we had 13 ones. We took away 8, and we have 5 ones left. And then when we regroup that 10, that left us with 5 tens. So we're going to take away 3 of those tens, or take away 30, and that leaves us with 2 tens, which is 20. So 50 minus 30 is 20. So our answer is 25. Now I'm going to check my answer with the transformation strategy. And because I noticed that 38, I could move that number up to 40, rewrite the number. So transformation, that means if I had 63 minus 38 as the equation, if I added 2 to both numbers here to keep that difference the same, so whatever I do to one number, I want to do the same to the other. Now I would have a new problem, 65 minus 40. And here I can do mental math, but I'm going to keep track and show you I have 5 ones minus 0 ones, and that leaves me with 5. And then we have 60 minus 40, and that's 25 total. So I checked my answer using transformation as my strategy. Today you are going to take a look at subtraction strategies. Look at the numbers carefully. Decide what would be an efficient strategy to help you solve that problem. And then use another strategy to check your answer.